Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to set up and then install our WordPress site locally on our machine and to aid us to work locally. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have our local server, which is XAMPP. So we are going to use XAMPP in this case, and then also we need to make sure that we have our WordPress folder. So the WordPress folder is from the WordPress website. We will get it from the WordPress website. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to create our database. So by so that we need to start our XAMPP, which is our local server. We need to start it. So I start my Apache and then MySQL, and then I create my database. So this is where I create my database. So my database name is going to be Techie underscore DB. So I have my database created. This is my database. So let's close the window and then let's minimize this also. So right now we need to create our website directory or our website folder. So we create our website folder in the XAMPP htdocs folder. So let's locate our drive C, and then there's the XAMPP. We go to htdocs, and here we create our WordPress directory folder name. So I already have my WordPress folder here. So what I'll do is that I'll have to rename it to the name of my website, so Techie. And then I have to get into this folder and then locate a file called wp-config sample. So there's a configuration file where I need to connect my database to my website directory. So we need to get into it. So our database name is Techie. Sorry. Techie underscore DB. Then the username is root. And then the password is going to be now. So we save the changes and then we close it. So now we are done connecting our database to our website directory. So the next thing for us to do is that we need to run our website. Techie. And now we have this. So we click on let's go. And then the database name is Techie underscore DB. The username was root. The password was now. So we submit this. And then we run the installation. So now my site name is going to be Techie. Username will be Techie. The password will also be Techie. And let's confirm the use of weak password. And then let's insert a mail. So we are running this. So we are done. So now we log in. So we say Techie. Our password also was Techie. And then we log in. So right now